In today's dynamic economic landscape, achieving financial stability and prosperity is a goal many aspire to. Yet, the path to wealth isn't always clear. However, by observing the practices of the affluent, we can uncover invaluable insights into effective money management. Here are 5 essential rules to manage your money like the rich, guiding you towards a future of financial abundance and security. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Here are 5 rules to manage your money like the wealthy. 1. Budget and track expenses. Budgeting and tracking expenses are fundamental aspects of managing money effectively, akin to laying a sturdy foundation for a building. When creating a budget, it's essential to list all sources of income and categorize expenses into different buckets. This includes allocating funds for necessities such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and healthcare. Additionally, setting aside a portion of your income for savings is paramount to ensure financial security and prepare for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Moreover, allocating funds for investments is crucial for wealth accumulation over time. This may involve investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to grow and generate passive income. By earmarking a portion of your income for investments, you're positioning yourself to benefit from compounding returns and capitalize on opportunities for wealth creation. Discretionary spending, which covers non-essential purchases and leisure activities, should also be accounted for in your budget. While it's essential to enjoy life and indulge in occasional luxuries, monitoring discretionary spending helps prevent overspending and ensures that you're living within your means. Tracking expenses allows you to gain insight into your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut costs or make adjustments. This could involve scrutinizing monthly bills for unnecessary subscriptions or services, negotiating better deals with service providers, or finding ways to reduce everyday expenses without sacrificing quality of life. By meticulously tracking expenses, you'll uncover opportunities to reallocate funds towards wealth-building endeavors, whether it's increasing contributions to your savings or investment accounts, paying off high-interest debt, or funding a new business venture. Redirecting money from non-essential expenses towards long-term financial goals accelerates your journey towards financial independence and prosperity. In essence, budgeting and tracking expenses serve as essential tools for financial empowerment, enabling you to take control of your finances, prioritize spending, and make informed decisions that align with your overarching financial objectives. 2. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a cornerstone of managing money like the rich, as it involves strategically allocating funds to assets that have the potential to grow and generate passive income over time. This entails selecting investments that not only appreciate in value, but also provide ongoing returns such as dividends or rental income. Diversifying your investment portfolio across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, is essential for mitigating risk and maximizing returns. By spreading investments across various sectors and industries, you reduce the impact of market volatility and safeguard your portfolio against unforeseen downturns in specific sectors. Furthermore, regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy is crucial for staying aligned with your financial goals and adapting to changing market conditions. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, reallocating funds to capitalize on emerging opportunities, or hedging against potential risks. Ultimately, investing wisely requires a disciplined approach, ongoing research, and a willingness to adjust strategies as needed to optimize long-term financial growth and stability. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle in managing money like the rich, emphasizing the importance of adopting a frugal lifestyle and exercising restraint when it comes to spending. This involves resisting the temptation to overspend on unnecessary luxuries and instead prioritizing prudent financial decisions. A key aspect of living below your means is distinguishing between wants and needs, ensuring that essential expenses are prioritized while discretionary spending is kept to a minimum. By embracing frugality and prioritizing financial discipline, individuals can allocate more resources towards saving and investing, thereby accelerating their journey towards wealth accumulation. Building wealth requires patience and delayed gratification, as it entails sacrificing short-term indulgences in favor of long-term financial stability and security. By living below your means, you not only ensure that your expenses are sustainable, but also create opportunities to build wealth and achieve financial independence over time. 4. Continuous learning and improvement. Continuous learning and improvement are essential components of managing money like the rich, emphasizing the ongoing pursuit of knowledge and skill development in personal finance, investing, and wealth management. By educating oneself about financial concepts, investment strategies, and economic trends, individuals can make informed decisions that optimize their wealth-building efforts. This involves staying abreast of market developments, economic indicators, and emerging investment opportunities, enabling individuals to adapt their financial strategies accordingly. Additionally, continuously seeking opportunities to expand knowledge and skills empowers individuals to navigate complex financial landscapes with confidence and agility. Whether it's attending seminars, reading books, or leveraging online resources, the commitment to lifelong learning enhances financial literacy and equips individuals with the tools they need to achieve their financial goals. In essence, continuous learning and improvement are integral to building wealth intelligently and sustaining long-term financial success in an ever-changing world. 5. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is a crucial step in managing money like the rich, as it provides a roadmap for achieving long-term financial success. By establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, individuals can create a clear vision of their financial future and outline actionable steps to reach their objectives. Whether the goal is saving for retirement, purchasing a home, starting a business, or paying off debt, having well-defined targets provides direction and motivation for managing money effectively. Regularly reviewing progress towards these goals allows individuals to track their financial journey and make necessary adjustments to their financial plan. This might involve increasing savings contributions, reallocating investments, or revising spending habits to ensure alignment with overarching objectives. Ultimately, setting clear financial goals empowers individuals to take control of their finances, stay focused on their priorities, and make informed decisions that lead to long-term financial security and prosperity. By adhering to these rules and embracing a disciplined approach to money management, individuals can emulate the financial habits of the wealthy and pave the way for lasting prosperity. Practices like budgeting, wise investing, frugal living, continuous learning, and setting clear financial goals foster discipline and resilience. These principles not only facilitate wealth accumulation, but also instill a sense of financial responsibility and empowerment. Prioritizing long-term stability over short-term gratification and making informed decisions based on sound financial principles lead to a secure future for oneself and loved ones. Ultimately, embracing these rules unlocks the path to financial independence and the attainment of desired levels of prosperity. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.